Hello world. My first ever words to a computer. Today, I am going to show you what each line does in C++. Before we jump into the code, you can write C++ in different places. Code editors like VS Code, which provide extensions for compiling, integrated development environments or IDEs like Visual Studio or Code Blocks with built-in compiler and debugging support, or simply online compilers where no setup is required and your code can simply run in the browser. No matter which one you use, they all help you write code and run it by calling a compiler and linker behind the scenes. But what is a compiler? Your code is in C++, but your computer only understands machine code, which is zeros and ones. The compiler takes your CPP file, checks it for errors, and translates it into machine code, turning it into an executable file like a.exe. But the compiler doesn't work alone. There is a partner in crime, the linker. If a program uses built-in libraries like IOStream or external libraries, the linker finds those libraries, glues all the necessary code together, and makes sure everything is in the right place. The linker resolves any function calls or variables that are declared in other files or libraries. Now let's get into the code of Hello World. The first line is #include IOStream. This line tells the compiler to include the IOStream library, which provides input and output tools like cout, cin. Without this line, you wouldn't be able to use cout, which prints output to the screen. Think of it like saying, "Hey C++, I'll need some tools for talking to the screen and keyboard." The second line is using namespace std. C++ organizes its standard tools like cout, cin, string, etc. inside a namespace called std. A namespace in C++ is a way to group related names like variables, functions, classes, etc. together. Kind of like putting things into folders to avoid name confusion. So, to use cout, you technically have to write this with std. But if you write using namespace std, you can skip the std prefix before a use of cout, cin, etc. Which is why this line is often taught to beginners. Now let me show you this in VS Code. When I run this program using namespace std, it prints hello world. But when I add a local variable with name cout, and then I try to print it using cout, the compiler will be confused. And in fact, it will treat the first cout in this line as integer only and will try to perform some operation. So, to avoid this naming confusion between IOStream cout to print and the integer cout, we use std explicitly in front of the one from IOStream. And now when I run this program, after removing using namespace std and using it explicitly, we see 23 as output along with hello world. If you use std cout, you are telling the compiler exactly which cout you mean, the one from the standard library. So it's better to explicitly use std, especially in larger programs or professional environments, because it is explicit, clear, and safe. Main is the starting point of your C++ program. Whenever you run a C++ program, main is the first call that's made. Cout hello world. This prints X to the screen. Cout means console output. And this is the insertion operator, which sends the string to cout. The screen we are talking about here is technically your terminal console or standard output, aka std out. Return 0 is the end of the main function and tells the operating system that the program finished successfully. As main is a function returning int, return 0 ends this function, and anything you write after return is never executed. Now, when you hit the run or compile and run button in your IDE or whatever workspace you are using, that's when everything kicks off. Behind the scenes, your CPP file is compiled, the linker glues everything together, and your program turns into exe file or equivalent on your OS. The OS loads your program into memory. It starts from the main function. This line cout hello world sends output to standard output, and finally your screen displays hello world. So you just understood your first C++ program. And now you know exactly what happens under the hood and what each line does.